SMT Nation, we back. Nation, I just want to give you guys this network update from Verizon. It'll be a quick, short little video, but I think important and probably some valuable information to you as a consumer. Link will be in the description for this website that I want you to check out. So make sure you do that. And also, don't forget, if you want to support your creators, you want to do it directly to really show your appreciation for all the great content on their channels, use the real SMT Buy Me a Coffee link. Keep the SMT caffeinated, motivated. And if you're looking for a great deal on wireless service, you could check out our partner, mmWave. Our wireless partner has some of the best value in the game and the most legendary customer care in the industry. So check them out. Use our unique partner link. It will be in the description. All right, folks, so the reason for this video, and it's just a quick one, Verizon has a news release news center website that they use. And what they do is they communicate all the things going on with the company that consumers may want access to. So let's say that you are within a state or within markets where Verizon has been relatively quiet for the last several years. You use their service or you're considering using their service, but you haven't seen the upgrades. One way to keep tabs on that is their news release, news center webpage. So link in the description for it. But you'll see that there are updates frequently happening, like on the daily. You'll see different markets and regions that are getting the Verizon 5G Ultra Wideband upgrades, where you're seeing things like C-band getting built and those upgrades getting turned on, all those modernizations making the network better. And if you're a customer that's been on some of these older tower sites, but T-Mobile and AT&T don't work well, so you really need these upgrades to happen, this is a great way to track it. All right, so Bakersfield, Verizon continues to upgrade the best network in the city. Shreveport, if I still don't know how to pronounce it, I don't think. Major 5G expansion, right? You got the new plans update coming here. Them speaking at the Moffitt-Nathanson conference. Here's some additional stuff. Virginia, West Virginia. I know a lot of people have been waiting for Verizon to get busy there. Keep tabs on all these upgrades and where it's happening. Wichita, Pensacola, right? The vertical bridge deal. So there's always stuff that I cover here on the channel. This is where I get a lot of that news when Verizon discloses the upgrades and where they're happening. Now, the most important part of this video commentary is the simple fact that Verizon has been spending immense amount of money upgrading a very large and outdated network. Now, in the metro areas, Verizon is typically very strong. You look at the root metrics, they do very well. They've got reliability, they've got capacity, they've got density, they've got their own fiber circuits. They put all the spectrum on air. They got mmWave, C-band, all that stuff is happening. Next up is suburban and rural America. They are due for the upgrades. They are going to hit the track running and move in that direction now that most of the metros are basically done. Cleveland is well beyond 90% completed. Probably closer to 95%. I really can only find a couple of macro sites that haven't been upgraded to 5G UW with the C-band. All right, the small cells are next, probably, right? So that'll be an ongoing project. And for the most part, I think most metro areas are like that for Verizon. 70, 80, 90% completed. Some are 95% completed like Miami. So next up is going to be suburban, which I've probably only just been barely touched, and then rural, which I know some rural parts of states have gotten nice upgrades, but that's going to be the emphasis moving forward. It's the last part of that macro network upgrade. And when you look at 5G UW and N77 and C-band, folks, this is a full power band, and it has incredible reach, right? 3 to 5 miles is very typical in like the rural setting. We've seen tower sites that are very tall in rural America reach beyond 8 and 9 miles. It's incredible. So be on the lookout for these upgrades, and they will be difference makers for you. All right, now even if you're a T-Mobile or AT&T customer, you want this because this increases the likelihood of the other competitors responding and upgrading their networks as well. So we're excited about this. 5G home internet customers potentially rejoice. Getting that service available to your address. Maybe you've been on DSL or satellite. This could be a game changer for you. Don't forget, in most suburban and rural areas where Verizon has C-band coming your way, we're talking about 160 to 200 megahertz of bandwidth. So we are talking multi-gig speeds, folks. So they will have no problem offering you 300 megabits per second down, 20 megabits per second up on the fixed wireless access. And if you have their wireless service, they're charging $25. There's deals, there's value, and there's service in these upgrades. Let me know if you're interested. Let me know if they've been around your area. And check out the website if you want to keep tabs on all those upgrades. Anyways, comment down below. You all the voice of the people, the SMT Nation. Let your voice be heard.